Good evening. You are watching Live News Hour. Tonight, we focus on one of the most significant geopolitical developments unfolding in the Middle East. United States President Donald Trump has declared that the American military is locked and loaded for what he described as a possible massive military strike against Iran. The statement has immediately heightened global concerns, triggering fears that the already volatile situation in the region could escalate into a much wider conflict. So, what exactly prompted this warning? Why has President Trump issued such a strong message? And what could happen next? Let's break down the complete story. The latest escalation follows months of growing military and diplomatic tensions between Washington and Tehran. According to President Trump, the United States has significantly strengthened its military preparedness across the region. Speaking to reporters, Trump said that American forces are locked and loaded, indicating that operational plans are in place should Iran launch further attacks against U.S. interests or its allies. However, he also stressed that he is not in a hurry to order military action, leaving room for diplomacy if Iran changes course. The immediate trigger has been a fresh surge in regional instability. Recent attacks linked to Iran-aligned groups, including Houthi militants operating around the Red Sea and commercial shipping routes, have intensified concerns over maritime security. Washington alleges that Tehran continues to support armed proxy groups that threaten regional stability, while Iran rejects those accusations and blames the United States and its allies for escalating the crisis. Reports indicate that American naval assets, advanced fighter aircraft, missile defense systems, and strategic bombers remain deployed across the Middle East as part of an enhanced military posture designed to deter further attacks. The consequences extend far beyond the battlefield. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the world's most critical energy corridors, with roughly one-fifth of global oil supplies passing through the narrow waterway. Any military confrontation involving Iran could disrupt international shipping, send crude oil prices sharply higher, and affect global inflation, financial markets, and energy security across Europe, Asia, and beyond. Several governments continue to urge restraint, warning that direct military confrontation between Washington and Tehran could destabilize the entire Middle East. So where does the situation stand tonight? The United States has made it clear that its military is prepared for immediate action if necessary. Iran, meanwhile, continues to reject American allegations and has warned that any attack would invite a strong response. For now, diplomacy remains alive, but military preparedness on both sides has reached one of its highest levels in recent months. For all the latest updates and in-depth analysis, stay connected with Live News Hour. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.